Hello everyone, I'm Austin. I'm in the 5th grade. Today I'll talk about a 3D printers. A 3D printers is a special machine that can make a real object. It does this by printing a layer by layer, like building with very thin blocks. First, we make a design on a computer. Next, 3D printer reads the design. Then it prints the object little by little until it becomes a real shape. A 3D printer can make many things. For example, it can make toys, chains, phone case, and small modules. 3D printers are very useful. They help people create new ideas and fix broken parts. Thank you for listening.